Hot water crust pastry or pies following John Kirkwood's recipe. For this I'm using 400 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 160 ml of water, 90 grams of butter, 100 grams of vegetable shortening, and 8 grams, 1 teaspoon of salt. First add the salt to the flour and stir it in. Make a well in the centre. Put the water into a pan and bring it up to a simmer. Once it starts simmering, add the butter and the shortening and stir until it melts. Once it's melted, pour it into the flour. Bring it all together with a wooden spoon handle. Right down the sides. Tip it out onto a floured work surface and bring it all together. Once it's all together, separate it into 2 parts. See what? About a third for the lids. Now wrap it in cling film. Or plastic wrap as it's called in the US. Now put it in the fridge and leave it for at least 2 hours or even overnight.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home just waiting for a train.